Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. This is our terrace in front of our private house, but I wanted to show you because it's a favorite space. So many roses right now, and we are sort of covered in the scent of beautiful roses, especially this musk rose that's growing over here. And as you can maybe feel, less and less space for human beings. It's the story of the garden. And the cat, Molly, of course, is also very often out here and resting. So today, this is just a short video, but some years ago I discovered that all of our elderflowers, elderberry bushes, were cross-pollinating, and I made a whole video about that. I'm going to do it again because now we have one new variety, maybe two. This is one of the things that excites me most about gardening, is that things cross-pollinate. I'm going to talk about Hellebore afterwards because they also are amazing at cross-pollination. So this is they are having sex with bees and then with each other in that way. And this is, I want to show you, if you get in close, I want to show you this one. This is your ordinary beautiful elderflower, and then we have this black lace elderflower with red flowers also, and it makes the most amazing red colored cordial. This one we also use for cordial, and the flowers are bigger, but I think these two had a baby. Look at that. It has, the leaves are different, and it has also a little bit of red in the flowers, and I think they are just beautiful. So these guys made a new variety, and then we also have this. Actually, this one is another variety that we have. It's the same red color of the flowers, but the leaves are different, and I think that these two had a baby, and it's this one. Do you see? Isn't that glorious? Oh, I'm so excited about this, and I run around the garden to find new variations. And I remember having these, it was a biology class where they explained how things cross. And then you see this one actually has green leaves, and but the flowers have a different color. So I'm sure that I will find more variation. But this makes me happy for days, guys, and I think they're all incredibly beautiful. And of course the elderflower and the elderberries are so important. We use it for tea. We make pancakes with the flowers. I dry some just for tea in the winter, and then I also cook up a concoction with the berries, because they are full of vitamins and very good to eat in the winter. Very good for the immune system. So they are much loved in the garden, and this is so exciting. So I had to show you again because we have this new amazing variety. And then I also, this time of year, there's another expert cross-pollinator, and this is the Hellebores. Actually, I want to show you these, the beauty of these seed heads. Are they not glorious? Look at that. I know this, the shape and the muted colors. I think it's so pleasing. And this one is like a half filled with white petals and spots. And I mean, the problem sometimes with these, they are very great at self-seeding, but the problem is sometimes that the seeds ripen without me noticing, so they just fall to the ground. And it's all about timing with these ones. They're very great at self-seeding where they grow, so lots of babies around the mother plants, and they do cross-pollinate with other hellebore around in the area. But I want a field of hellebore, and that's why I really want to collect a lot of seeds, and then I seed them now because they are ripe now. If you have a look at how the seeds, they are almost ready. If you can open these and the seeds are loose and they fall out, even if they're not all black, they will still ripen, and you can seed them. But it's important actually to seed them now, and just I seed them in a big box, and then I just leave them. I mean, I water, I make sure that they are not completely dried out, but actually they are very easy. And then in the fall they will they will most likely germinate, and then I leave the box in the greenhouse all winter, and then I can plant them out next spring. So easy to grow, and also all of these, you see how many different seed heads I have. All of these hopefully will have cross-pollinated. Even if they just make babies of themselves, I'll be so happy and grateful. But maybe they have cross-pollinated, and this is super, super exciting. So in a couple of years, when these babies flower, I will know if a new being has appeared in the world, and I think that's quite amazing. I have these seeds I left in this tallerken. What is this? Well, a plate. Strange words escape me. This one is seeds from a yellow variety, a special variety that I actually bought from the UK, maybe well, right after Brexit actually, and the package got caught in hvad hedder told? Customs. In customs. I'm happy my husband is behind the camera. Okay, so it turned out to be extremely expensive plant, but I do love it, and now we have seeds, and I hope to have more. So that's just a small task today, this time of year, and it's very sudden. They all ripen and then they fall to the ground. So if you want to do this, if you want to sort of control a little bit how many plants you have, then it's time to go out and see if the seeds are ripe. Guys, that's it. I'm sorry for my lack of words today, and thank you for watching.